Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll install some LED headlight bulbs on our 2012 Volkswagen Beetle. And this video is made in collaboration by AUXITO. So if you want to purchase some AUXITO LED bulbs, follow the link down below and you can save 12% by using the discount code FGSAVE12. Alright, so let's start and let's unbox first. Alright, so now let's unpack this. This was sent out to me for free. So just full disclosure in there, this one was sent out to me for free. And to do an actual honest review. So I am free to say whatever I want. And yeah, just be honest about it. So it comes with, well, whatever this one is. Well, what's the benefits? Okay, so when you purchase it, you'll get that. And you can just be part of AUXITO Club and enjoy an exclusive preference. So monthly gifts, gain new product free trials, and deals. Alright, so other than that, let's go with the box. So nice packaging. So it is sealed, and we got the H4 in here, which is mark in there, and we have the specs in here. So voltage 9 to 30 volts, which is good, and then they have a wide range of voltage that they can accept, and they are IP65 rating, which means they're water resistant. Then they're using a ZES chip. Color temperature is 6500, and they can work -40 to 176 Fahrenheit. And then operating life, which is 30 hours, which will be enough. And they're made with aviation aluminum 60-30 or 60-63. All right, and with the price on this one, I don't know. I'll just insert it somewhere in the screen how much this costs. And now let's unbox. I like their packaging. So we got the manual on the box, and we got the bulbs themselves. So these are high beam and low beam. So they got total of 12 chips or bulbs on each side. So they got the LED for the low beam and the LED for the high beam. So total of 12 bulbs. And these are mainly, well, I like the material. Yep. So now let's install them. All right. Okay, so now we have the assembly in here. So to replace the headlight, simply twist the cover, the dust cover, and then just remove it. And now we have the bulb in here. So make sure to keep this as a spare in your car, just in case. At least you'll have that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unplug this plug first from the bulb. There you go. And then next thing we're gonna do is we will unclip it. So push down on the other side, push on the other side, then just flip this, and simply we can pull out our bulb. So what we're gonna do next, so halogen and the LED. I hope we're gonna get some good beam pattern in here. Let's quickly install this one now. Okay, so to install this one, basically just reverse the process and make sure that it is facing upward. So make sure the bulb is like that, not like this, not like that. All right, so that you'll get the correct beam pattern. So let's check if the tabs here matches the tabs at the back of this housing. So gonna go in. There it goes in there. All right. So again, just reverse the process. If I can push it there. There you go. Okay, so then we're just gonna test this one out and just do the same on the other side. There you go. And let's put it back. So I'm not gonna put the dust cover. Well, you can if you want to, but all the heat will be there. So we want to get the heat out. So I'm just gonna leave this off for now. Okay, to put this back, we're just gonna basically reverse the process. So just clip this one back on. There you go. And I'm not gonna lock it in yet because ooh, okay, be careful. There you go. So we'll test it. I'll turn on the bulb itself. Let's see. All right, they look nice. I don't have anything here to check the beam pattern, but we'll test them tonight and we'll see if the beam pattern is correct. If we're blinding someone, then we need to adjust it, but right now they look good. So look, let's compare it on the other side. Okay, so this is the LED headlight from AUXITO, and now let's move and compare it to the factory one. So that's the factory one, and they are definitely better. So we cannot really tell the difference because it's still bright here in the garage, but I can tell you that they are better. All right, so just do the same on the other side and we'll test them out tonight. Okay, so let's test our AUXITO LED bulbs on our 2012 Volkswagen Beetle. So we will check the beam pattern right now. That's why I'm facing the garage door. those are the low beam. As you can see, the beam pattern, they are nice, they are clean, and they're not really scattered. So the beam pattern is awesome, my opinion. So they are a lot better also compared to the halogen. And this will be the high beam now. And that's the high beam. As you can see, they are nice. I think I need to aim my headlight bulbs or my headlight aim a little higher, probably 1 turn for the low beam. But for now, as I can see, they are good. So yeah, am I gonna recommend them? Definitely. I will use this over the stock bulbs that we got, because those stock bulbs, they suck. But yep, but this, yep. So again, if you're interested, follow the link below and use the code FGSAVE12 to get 12% discount on your order. Right? I hope this helps. Thank you for watching.